Living in Washington, D.C., you know how unpredictable the weather can be. From hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, your home needs to be protected from the elements year-round. One of the most effective ways to ensure your home remains safe and comfortable is by investing in high-quality windows and doors. Properly installed Washington, D.C. windows and doors can significantly enhance your home's defense against weather conditions while improving energy efficiency and security. In this article, we'll explore how windows and doors in Washington, D.C. can help protect your home from the harsh elements, keep your energy costs in check, and provide peace of mind throughout the year. Protection against extreme weather. Washington, D.C. experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from high winds and heavy rain to freezing temperatures and snowstorms. Your windows and doors are your first line of defense against these conditions, and choosing the right options can make all the difference. Impact-resistant windows. One of the most important upgrades you can make is to install impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds, flying debris, and other harsh elements. Whether it's a thunderstorm, hail, or the occasional hurricane-strength wind, impact windows provide an added layer of protection, preventing damage and ensuring your home stays secure. Weather-resistant doors. Doors made from fiberglass or steel are incredibly durable and designed to handle tough weather conditions. Unlike wooden doors, which can warp, rot, or crack from exposure to moisture, fiberglass and steel doors are more resilient to weather, ensuring they remain intact and functional throughout the year. Whether it's a snowstorm in winter or a summer thunderstorm, Washington, D.C. windows and doors made from sturdy, weather-resistant materials can safeguard your home and provide long-lasting protection. Enhanced insulation and energy efficiency. One of the key benefits of installing high-quality windows and doors is the improvement in energy efficiency. In Washington, D.C., where both hot and cold weather can strain your heating and cooling systems, having properly sealed, energy-efficient windows and doors can save you money on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient windows. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features work together to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. By minimizing the loss of heat during winter and blocking out excess heat during summer, energy-efficient windows help reduce the load on your HVAC system, which can lead to lower energy bills. Energy-efficient doors. Just like windows, your doors play a crucial role in your home's energy efficiency. Insulated doors are designed to reduce the amount of heat lost through door openings. Whether you choose fiberglass or composite materials, these doors offer superior insulation, helping to keep your home's temperature stable and reduce energy consumption. By investing in energy-efficient windows and doors, you not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also reduce your environmental footprint by using less energy to maintain your home's comfort. Preventing moisture and water damage. Water damage is one of the most common issues caused by weather conditions. Whether it's from a heavy rainstorm or melting snow, moisture can seep into your home and cause significant damage to your walls, flooring, and insulation. Washington, D.C. windows and doors can help prevent this type of damage by offering superior protection against water infiltration. Proper seals and weather stripping. Professional window and door installation ensures that your windows and doors are properly sealed with high-quality weather stripping and caulking. These seals prevent water from entering your home around the edges of the windows or doors, keeping your interior dry and protected from the elements. Waterproof door materials. Fiberglass and steel doors are inherently resistant to water damage. Unlike wood, which can warp or rot when exposed to moisture, fiberglass and steel maintain their integrity and performance, even in wet conditions. Additionally, weatherproofing technologies in modern windows and doors ensure that no moisture gets through the seams or frames, even during intense storms. By upgrading your windows and doors to weather-resistant models, you can protect your home from water damage and avoid costly repairs. Improved security and peace of mind. In addition to protecting your home from the elements, Washington, D.C. windows and doors also play a crucial role in enhancing your home's security. Strong, durable doors and windows provide an extra layer of protection against break-ins and vandalism. Secure windows. Modern windows come equipped with multi-point locking systems and impact-resistant glass, which make it more difficult for intruders to break in. Double-glazed windows are much harder to shatter, providing additional protection for your family. Sturdy, reinforced doors. Whether you opt for a steel door or a fiberglass door, these materials are significantly stronger and more secure than traditional wooden doors. Many high-quality doors also feature deadbolt locks and reinforced frames, adding another level of security to your home. This not only protects your family and belongings but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your home is secure from both external threats and the weather. Noise reduction. Living in Washington, D.C. means dealing with urban noise, from traffic to street noise and even sirens. Windows and doors can also help reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home, allowing for a more peaceful and quiet living environment. Noise-reducing windows. Double-pane windows with an acoustic layer are ideal for reducing noise from outside. These windows help keep your home quiet, even if you live in a busy area, by blocking out external sounds such as traffic or construction. Solid, well-sealed doors. Solid core doors with proper sealing can help block noise from entering your home, further contributing to a more tranquil living space. Conclusion. Investing in Washington, D.C. windows and doors provides a multitude of benefits that go far beyond just aesthetics. Whether you're looking to protect your home from the elements, improve your energy efficiency, prevent water damage, or enhance security, upgrading your windows and doors is a smart choice. With the right materials and proper installation, you can create a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home that's ready to withstand any weather condition. If you're ready to make your home more resilient and efficient, professional window and door replacement in Washington, D.C. is the first step toward improving your home's protection and comfort.